Hi.
Hi. So I have the carb off of Babs, the artist formerly known as Monique. Grant and Jane own her now. Grant was having trouble getting her to run, so I went over to the house, did the old brake clean, the fuel bowl trick, got her running there, but it would run till that ran out and it would shut off. So pulled the line back off on the inlet side of the fuel filter, put my thumb over it, cranked it, had Grant crank it, and it started shooting fuel. I said, okay, cool. Had him shut it off, hooked that back up. I pulled it off of here, did the same thing, got fuel. So I went in there, sprayed a brake clean, trying to get the needle and seat to come unstuck.
Right, yeah,
the floats are stuck.
It's definitely very grimy.
It's grimy, and you can see the goop from the fuel here. I actually brake cleaned all this off while I was at their house here, but this was all brown and sludgy and gross. So you can still see it. I mean, this has been on there. I know I didn't rebuild it when Tom had the car. This was the carb that was on it. Somebody before me installed this, but it ran great. It never leaked. But I mean, that's a long time because I started working on that car when Tom had it in 2019. So 6 years plus. So I kind of went with the car during its sale, obviously, because it sold to mutual friends.
Well, if you went with the car, why are you still here?
Well, they don't want to.
I mean, he's like the plague. We sell him off with the car, and he still comes back.
You're like herpes. You're the gift that keeps on giving.
That's right.
Don't punch a gift horse in the mouth, but
don't punch a mouth, something like that.
Don't mouthify my what? Anyway, we're getting off topic. So Xander's gonna get this torn down. He's gonna shoot some clips while he does it. It's pretty straightforward.
It's dirty. It's scalloped. Just get rid of it and put a new one on.
I mean, that's an option too, but I want to get this baby done for them so they can drive it.
Oh, yeah.
It's getting to that time of year where...
Now, what was the car? I just knew it was supposed to be a Chrysler.
69 300, the yellow one, you know it. Yellow with black vinyl top.
Oh, yeah!
Tom had it before.
Right, I remember him.
And now Aussie Grant and Aussie Jane.
Oh, yeah. I love that car.
Yeah, that car's, it's one of my favorites. It's always driven really well, too.
Yeah.
So, Xander's going to get this apart because it's goopy, yucky, icky poo-poo. And we're going to go.
Now, what was that again? What was it?
Goopy, yucky, icky poo-poo. Caca-doo-doo.
Say that 3 times fast.
Caca-doo-doo poopy. And with that,